Among the beautiful things that persist in growing up, apart of course from those high, wide and handsome men, there are few things more beautiful than tulips. But bringing them up in the way they should go is a very skillful business. On this vast Lincolnshire flower farm, the tops of the tulips are removed to strengthen the root bulbs. In this way, not only are the bulbs made rich and fertile, but the cut flowers are sturdy and straight-stemmed. Another result is that they can be got either from ground or greenhouse for the greater part of the year. When winter comes and the old earth looks a little damp and grey and the trees are bare, the growers turn on the heat for the glasshouses. As much as 30 acres of glass in the Spalding district alone is devoted to growing early tulips, daffodils and narcissus. The season begins as early as Christmas and continues till late March, when the outdoor crops begin to come into bloom. In a greenhouse of this size, the daffodil harvest amounts to about 50,000 blooms. In the ordinary way, there wouldn't be any until April, but by means of refrigerating chambers and skillful transplanting, there are flowers to cut as early as January. The daffodils are graded and boxed. Just a few of the almost incredible total of 200 tons, which in the season are sent to the markets from Lincolnshire every day. Of daffodils and tulips, a single grower will send as many as 5,000 boxes a day. And did you know that there are at least 75 different varieties of tulips? That gives you some idea of the wide scope of the industry. So yet again, the bulbs of the winter become the lovely blooms of spring and early summer. Nature and knowledge have triumphed once more.